Hey guys, Tall Family Films here. If you're a Camtasia user and you have videos on your smartphone that you want to move over to the PC, there's a great app called FUSE from Techsmith, and it works like this. I go in, I can browse my library on my phone, or I can do it live. I'm going to select a 3-second video that I have in my library, puts it into a little player, lets me preview it. From here, I can choose that video, which is in the lower right-hand corner. It then puts that video into the FUSE library. From the FUSE library, I can then share that video with Camtasia. It makes a connection request out, then it verifies which PC I want to connect to. I choose my instance of Camtasia. Then over on the PC, I need to go in and enable to connect mobile devices. It is not enabled on this PC for the first time, so it will prompt you. I select to enable that, and it brings up a QR code. That QR code links my PC to this phone so that mobile uploads can happen almost instantly. And there it is. So the video shows up in Camtasia. So this is when everything works great. But what about when things don't work great? So there's another common problem that happens where I am unable to push videos over. So I share Camtasia. It goes through trying to find, I verify the instance of Camtasia that I'm trying to push to. Again, I go under to enable mobile devices. I then scan the QR code, and instead of it pushing the video in, I get this: unable to establish a connection with the server, connection error. Usually, assuming there's no firewall turned on or anything, someone has put the PC and the phone on different networks. So there's a way to find this. So I'm just going to go into the iPhone camera app. You can do this on Android as well. And I'm going to scan that QR code, which opens it in Google, and of course doesn't work, but I can see the IP address that it's trying to get to. So I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to delete everything that's not the IPv4 address from the beginning and end of that IP. I'm going to select it, copy it, and then I open a ping program. I use Ping Lite, but there's lots of programs out there that can do ping. I'm going to go in, paste in that IP, and try and ping it. And I cannot ping it. It is not working. So that's why this phone is unable to push videos to Camtasia. So I'm going to go in and verify some things. What is I know the IP I'm trying to get to, so I'm going to go in and look at my IP. It's been assigned to me. Aha! I am not on the same network. This is not a video to understand TCP IP addresses, but trust me that I'm not on the same network. So I'm going to change my Wi-Fi network to the same SSID that the PC is on and ping, and now I'm able to ping successfully. So now if I go back into FUSE, try to do the exact same thing, I'm going to select the video, share it, choose Camtasia as the target, and instantly it shows up on the PC. I didn't even have to do the QR code that time because the PC is already linked. So I hope this helped you. If it did, you could help me by subscribing to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Thank you very much.